Welcome back to Tim's Offgrid. I wanted to do a real quick review of my RO system, reverse osmosis, what that looks like. So if you can hear it, the booster pump is running right now. So the thing about a booster pump is you want the pressure as high as possible in the RO system. That way you have the less water losses through the RO membrane. Because if not, you could be having to waste 3 gallons to make 1 gallon. How about if we're only wasting 2 gallons to make a gallon, or whatever. So I'm going to run through a couple things about mine here. I installed 2 expansion tanks here because we could run 1 expansion tank out pretty quickly. If it says that it's 4 gallons, it's not 4 gallons because there's an air bladder in there. So maybe 3 gallons, it may be less. So let's assume these 2 4s or 2 3s. So I got 6 gallons of holding tank capacity right now. The red line is your wastewater. All right. Make sure you have pressure gauge on the pump so you can dial the pump in down here at the bottom so you get the pressure set properly. Install yourself a leak sensor with a solenoid valve to kill the system off if it detects any leaks from the system. Alright, so that's what you see here and here. I got a TDS meter over here so I can look at total dissolved solids coming in and coming out. Got a gauge over there in the back so I can see how many gallons we've been using. And this is 7 stages. So 3 pre-filters here. Then you've got your RO membrane, and then you've got your alkalinity filter over here, or pH plus, and then you got an alkalinity filter up there, and then you got UV. And I've got a float switch on the UV, so the UV only comes on when water's flowing out. So you notice that too. You don't want your UV on all the time. Alright, so that's my RO system here under the sink. I know there's some stuff that's all jammed up. If you've done one before, you know what it's going to look like. So please like, please subscribe, please share. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody.